Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohammad Fakhrul Sajib. This is Java Tutorial 3, Java Naming Conventions. This is one of the important topics for students and programmers. Before starting, if you are first time watching my video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell and select all to get all the notifications of my channel. Java Tutorial 3, Java Naming Conventions. Java naming convention is a instruction to follow as you decide what to name your identifiers such as class, variable, constant, method, etc. Naming conventions make programs more understandable by making them easier to read. Moreover, for good maintenance and readability of code. However, naming convention is not mandatory to follow, therefore it is known as convention, not rule. Pascal case. Pascal case means that the first letter of every word in the name is capitalized. It usually used for writing class names. Example: class student, class my class. Here M is capitalized and C is capitalized. That is Pascal case. That first letter of every word in the name is capitalized. Here you can see M capitalized, C capital letter. My class. Camel case means the first word always starts with a small letter and subsequent words start with capital letter. Camel case is generally used for naming variables methods. Look at the example. Examples: first number. Here F is small letter and N is capital letter. That is camel case. That first word always start with a small letter and subsequent words start with capital letter. Here F is a small letter and N capital letter. First number. Second number is small letter and capital letter. Look, user login count. Here U is a small letter, L is capital letter, C is capital letter. User login count. That is variable convention to follow. Method naming convention. Methods name always should be verbs. The method name can be single or two or three words as needed to clearly represent the action. Words should be in camel case notation. Camel case. Words should be in camel case notation. Example: suppose public, this is access modifier. I will discuss access modifier in my future videos. Public double get total 7. Get verb. Always start with verbs. Get total salary. This is also camel case. G small letter, T capital letter, salary S capital letter. Get total salary. Second example: public int get ID. G small letter and I capital letter. ID. Get ID. Constant variables should be constant variable should be all uppercase with words separated by underscores. underscore sign. Static final integer minima min underscore width equal 4. Static final integer max underscore width 15. This is how constant variables are defined. Interface naming convention. Interfaces names generally should be adjectives. Interfaces name generally should be adjectives and it should start with the uppercase letter. Suppose example interface flyable. This is adjective, also uppercase F. Look at the F. F capital letter. And this is code snippet. Another one interface swimmable. Swimmable also adjective and S capital letter uppercase letter. Okay, thank you for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe my channel.